I'm just wondering if anybody has any other issues with their Rane 70 like I have. So it's brand new, it's only about a month old, and I've been having this issue since I bought it. It's mainly an intermittent issue that I can't seem to fix. I don't know why it's acting this way. Maybe some sort of technical problem with the unit itself, or maybe it just needs an update or something like that. But basically what happens is that I have my two turntables here hooked up to the back and phono, so that's all fine. If I play this here, you can hear that I'm getting levels all fine, so that's grand. But the problem is that I have no sound coming out through my speaker, but I only have sound coming out through my headphones. Now sometimes it's switched, sometimes I only have music coming out of my speaker and nothing coming out of my headphone whatsoever. But as you can hear, I'll just go over here. I'm getting sound through my headphones. Same with this deck here. Only coming out through the headphones. But I don't get anything through my speaker. And just to show you that the speaker does work, just bump that down there. Okay, so the speaker does work. There's nothing wrong with the speaker. Like I said, sometimes the speaker works and sometimes the headphone doesn't work. It's either one or the other. But it only seems to be every 4 or 5 times I switch this unit on. But if I switch it off the back, alright, you can hear audibly that the speaker was connected because you can hear the disconnecting sound. Okay, so I'll switch it on again. Alright, there it is. You can hear the mixer actually clicking on. So I don't know why this is acting this way. Doesn't seem to be an issue with the cables, doesn't seem to be an issue with any inputs or anything like that. Like I said, this is only a bedroom setup, so I am changing anything on the rear. There's the rear there, so this is obviously my left hand side turntable, right hand side turntable, speaker out. So I can't understand why I'm not getting any sound here. I don't use this thing with any computers or anything like that. The only time I do is when I'm recording a mix directly into the computer. Otherwise it's just pure vinyl all the time, and even then seems to still have an issue. And I know it's not an issue with any other equipment there, because I have another mixer there that I use, and then on top there, I don't know if you can see that, but underneath that black cover there is my Eckler Nuo 2 that I've been using for quite a while there. But I decided to upgrade to one of these fancy expensive mixers, and I've been disappointed really with the quality so far. Other than that, that's all I can say. That's the only real issue I had. You can still see that even the actual sticker is still on, so it's brand new, box fresh, and I'm already having issues and faults with it. As I said again, sometimes the speaker works and then the headphone doesn't work. It's either one or the other with this intermittent fault. Then sometimes it works completely fine and I can record my mixes and I can, rip my vinyl or do whatever I want, and there's no issues there whatsoever. It's only an issue with the mixer, because like I said, I have 2 other mixers. I've never had this fault in any other one of them, and that's it really. You can see I'm getting levels, okay, on both my turntables. I switched them both on, so there you go. And I am getting it out, so I don't understand. There's the settings there, so I'm supposed to set the phono, otherwise I wouldn't be getting any signal to begin with. And as you heard, when I switched, when I took out the cable there at the back, the RCA going to the speaker, you can hear when I touch the speaker you're getting feedback from through my body there. So I don't understand what's wrong with it really. Never had this issue in any other mixer before. Just disappointed really. Probably either there could be a simple fix, or there could be a setting on here that I haven't changed. Any comments and suggestions are welcome here. There's no ego, so if there's something literally simple that I'm missing here, there's the back of my mixer there. Anything I'm missing here, go right on ahead and give us a suggestion how to fix it. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna have to warranty it already, which is gonna be a pain in the fucking arse because I don't really want to do that. Seems I paid a lot of fucking money for this shit. But yeah, disappointed really. And that's all I can really say so far. Right, thanks.